So there are several modules built into Python, or also referenced as libraries sometimes, which are sort of huge huge inbuilt ones that you can use for different things. So one of them is random. So I'm just going to go through a couple of common ones and make a little video about a couple. So one of them is random. So if I import random, it gives me a load of features. So if I do random dot, you can see a load of the things that I can use it included. Okay, it's really useful when you want to do pseudo random stuff. So if I wanted to get the computer to generate a random number, I could do print random, which is a module I've imported, dot randint, which is random integer between 0 and 5. So when I run it, it's going to do number 4. And then when I run it again, it'll be a different random number. Number 4 again. The chances are slim, but and then it's a 2. Look. So that's a random number. We've also got stuff like you can use it to pick a random item from a list. So if you've got a list like this, you can do random.choice, which will print a random choice from your list. So that's printed 10, run it again, it will print something else, 5. You can do shuffle with random, so I can randomly shuffle my list. So if I do random.shuffle and then pass it something, it will jumble my list up, but under no logical pattern other than the way it's coded in random. All right, so randomness is usually it can be quite useful to know, and that's why it's an inbuilt. You'll find a lot of the inbuilt ones. I'm only going to make a couple of videos, but they're all there for a reason. They're all quite commonly used. So yeah, that's one, and that's called random.